Hey y'all, it's your Slay at Home mom, Sophie Chanelle, and I'm back with another video. If you are interested to see how I got this look in this quick show and tell, keep watching. Alright y'all, we are back, and you see we have this style, Arlissa from Outre, and I have it in the color number 2. Now this style does come with an elastic band in the back, 2 combs in the front, and 1 comb in the back. And here I'm just giving you a glimpse of the hairline. This melted hairline collection I absolutely love. It comes automatically pre-plucked on this unit. Here I'm just laying down the baby hairs so that I can smooth the hair in. I have my hot comb on a number 5. This is the Andis hot comb, and it will be linked in the description box. You don't want to go higher than 5 because once the temperature of your hot comb gets too hot, it can change the texture of your hair. So here I'm just going in and plucking out the baby hairs right at the top. I don't typically wear baby hairs out right there, so I'm just taking those out. And as you saw, I just went ahead and cut the edges, and now I'm going to cut the lace from the wing. So I went ahead and cut the lace. I added my Fit Me powder to tint the lace. And I will say that if you have a larger size head, you can go in and cut that adjustable band in the back, and that will give you more space with this unit. Okay, so here I'm just going in and curving my part just a little bit more. It was a little straight for my liking, so I like more of a curved part, so I'm going in and doing that. And here I am just showing you guys what the unit looks like with that part that I added. I went ahead off camera and did my edges. So now I'm just combing it through just to see how I like it. I am wearing this unit completely glueless, so that's why you see the ear tabs sticking out there. And again, if you want the direction of your hair to go a certain way, it's really good to use your hot comb. And I froze there because this was the moment that I realized that my hot comb had actually some kind of way gone up to the temperature number 10. And so I could tell by the way that the texture of the hair was, it was a little bit more silky right in that hump area, and it was not really holding the hump the way I liked. And now it's time for the hair flip test. And she passed completely glueless. So now I'm just going in with my Juvia's palette, using the color Yoded, just to go around the edges because this is the contour that I use. And so since my hairline got covered up with the wig, I wanted to go back and just add that contour back in. And this is the final look, you guys. Overall, I'm really liking this hair. Again, this is more of a yaki textured unit, about 12 to 14 inches. Overall, I'm really loving this look, the texture, the cut, the style, the layers. Everything about this unit is just really great. I love that it's an everyday unit. If you guys are interested in getting Arlissa, let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think of this unit? All right, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.